In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products and services in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Settings tab, top right, and you want to go to Lists and click on Products and Services. In here, it's going to basically take you in here to products and services, and then you want to click on the new product/service top right. And first you have to select what you want. So we have inventory, of course, products for inventory, non-inventory, or you have service or bundles, okay? So here, first select either inventory or service or whatever you want to do. So whatever you want to add, you can do it like this, click on it, and it's going to basically get put in here. And then you simply have to give it a name. So for example, we're going to just do like t-shirt, for example. And then here you have categories. You can add, of course, if you have these signed, of course, set up. Then you have initial quantity in hand. I'm going to do like 15, and then as of date. And then you have like a bunch of different things you can fill in. Just go through this, actually put in your SKUs, categories, images, descriptions, sales price/rate, etc. So take your time and actually do this. I'm not going to bore you and waste your time over here because things here are pretty self-explanatory. It's easy to understand what you have to do. And then click on Save and Close, and it's going to basically get added, okay? Now, of course, you could also add a service just the same way. Click on service, give it a name, category, stuff like that. Click on save and close, and you're good to go. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.